For quite a while now, I've been looking for something that's comfortable enough to wear to sleep, to track my sleep stages, something that looks good when I wear it, and something that can give me insights on my everyday health and how I can improve. And I think I might have found it. Let's unbox the Ultrahuman Ring Air. So as you guys can see, I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you of the Ultrahuman Ring Air. I feel like this is kind of like an Apple type of unboxing just by the look of the box. We have Ultrahuman Ring Air branding on the sides. We also have the logo right here on the back. And as you guys can see, Ultrahuman, month and year of packaging, May 2024. Pretty nice detail to see. I got the size 7 in raw titanium. The raw titanium was the only color I was going to go for. So yeah, let's just open this up, and as you guys can see, the ring is presented right at the top and it looks really nice, but we'll get onto that in a little bit. And as you guys can see, inside the box we have the actual charger in the box, which is where the ring will go onto on top. It has a little LED indicator as well. It has a little bit of branding on the top left as well, but we'll put that to the side. We have a really nice braided USB-C to C cable in black, as you guys can see. By the way guys, real quick, if you do want to go ahead and buy an Ultrahuman Ring Air, use code SAF10 at checkout with the link in the description to save 10% on your Ultrahuman Ring Air. So with the unboxing out the way, let's talk about the design and build quality first. Now, the design of the Ultrahuman Ring Air, it's a really nice uninterrupted design. As you guys can see, I have the raw titanium here, made out of titanium, as you can tell by the name, and it looks really nice. Now, I have the iPhone 15 Pro and I have the S24 Ultra in the titanium colorways. This titanium just seems more to what titanium is actually supposed to look like. It really looks nice. I like the aesthetics. It will fit with whatever outfit that you're trying to wear, and that's really important because at the end of the day, this isn't just a ring for smartwear, it's also like a piece of jewelry. So yeah, it is really nice. It is uninterrupted on the outside. On the inside, as you guys can see, it is transparent. You can see all the sensors. It has a little bit of a ledge on one side just so you know which place to put your actual finger for the tracking. It's also really light, which is something that caught me off guard. From the other rings that I have seen and used before, the rings are almost quite a bit heavy because they're made out of like stainless steel, they're made out of gold. This is made out of titanium. Titanium is already a pretty light material, and because this ring is once again a smart ring, it is once again really light, and that titanium just makes it really nice. I've actually been using the Ultrahuman Ring Air on my middle finger just because it's the most comfortable there for some reason for me. Also, I be writing with my index finger. Okay, well, not writing with my index finger, but when I'm writing, it is a little bit interrupted when it's on my index finger, so I keep it on my middle finger. I've been wearing this during the day and during the night, and it's been completely fine. I've had no irritation at all. In terms of features and functionality, this is only the first impressions video. I'll be making a full review soon. But yeah, it's got quite a lot of health and fitness tracking features. It monitors your heart rate, it monitors your sleep, it monitors your activity levels. It does quite a lot. Ultrahuman Ring Air has this really nice app which all the information is stored in, and it looks really nice and it's easy to understand. But yeah, I will be talking about that in a future long-term review, so make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on that. The user experience, it was really easy to set up when first turning it on. All I had to do was put it on the charger and it turned on. Battery life, I've had brilliant battery life. You know, one thing guys I can't get my head around with this ring is how small and light it is, and it's not even the thickest ring. It is quite a bit thicker than other rings on the market, such as like actual real rings. But what I can't get my head around is how it can have multiple days of battery life. I've been getting up to 5 to 6 days of battery life with sleep tracking, wearing this day in, day out, and it's been completely fine. Yeah, this was just a quick first impressions video and unboxing just to talk to you guys about whether smart rings are really the future of where health is supposed to go. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the full review, which will be coming out soon, where I go in depth. I will also be coming out with videos comparing this to an Apple Watch, comparing this to actual health trackers, and see whether it's actually accurate, how you can understand the data and everything. So make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on that. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.